Hello, welcome to class of mathematics. Today let us learn some laws based on sets. What are these laws? You are going to learn is distributive laws and the De Morgan laws. What are they? Let me explain you. First, let us have distributive laws. What are these distributive laws? There are again two types. One is distributive property of union over intersection, and the other one is distributive property of intersection over union. Okay, first let me explain you what is this law. Distributive property of unions over intersection. So let me explain you what is this. With this property, A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. A union B intersection C means A union B. Okay. Then intersection A union C. I hope this is clear to you. How this one you got. Let me explain you by an example. Suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simple example I am giving you. B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. And C is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. Okay. Three sets A, B, C I have given. So how this is equal to this, let us find. First let us work out for this. Let me find B intersection C first. In B 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are there. C 3, 5, 7, 9, 10 are there. So B intersection C means what are common in these two is 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. Now let us find A union this. A union B intersection C. In A we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Union B intersection C we got 3, 5, 7, 9. Now union of these two means every element of both the sets will be there. Whether they are in this or both. Like here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. Let me write all the elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 7, 9. So A union B intersection. The left hand side we got this. Now let us work out for this. Let me find A union B first. A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Union 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 7, 9. Okay. Let me find A union C. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And union C is, C we have 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. When we do union of these two, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10. 7, 9, 10. Okay. Now what is that? A union B, intersection A union C. So A union B, intersection A union C. That means this intersection this. Let me write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Intersection 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10. Intersection means what are common in both. What are common? Only 10 is not there. Remaining elements are there in both. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. So we can see A union B intersection C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. And this is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. These two are equal. So this law is proved. So how we got it, I have explained you. And your second property is just distributive property of intersection over union. Intersection over union. Just here only I will explain so that you will understand better where the intersection over union. Just wherever union is there, intersection. Wherever intersection is there, union you will get. Okay. Distributive property of intersection over union. Here you will get A intersection B union C. You will get A intersection B union A intersection C. Same way, if you do, you will get both the sides are equal, so that we can say that this property is proved. This is a distributive property because we are distributing here. Okay. So in distributive property, these are the two properties. One is distributive property of U. This is second one. Okay. Union over intersection. Other one is distributive property of intersection over union. Now you will be having other laws, that is De Morgan laws. De Morgan is a mathematician. He introduced these laws, so his name De Morgan's laws. De Morgan is a mathematician. What is this? Very interesting thing he found is complement of unions. First one is complement of unions, that means union of sets. Complement of unions is the intersection of complements. You may not understand if I write like this. Complement of, suppose there are two sets A and B. Complement of unions means A union B whole dash is equal to intersection of complements A dash intersection B dash. Same way, if there are three sets A union B union C whole dash, we will have A dash intersection B dash intersection C dash. Okay. And one more is same way. Here union will be intersection, intersection will be union. Complement of intersections is the union of complements. I think by now you understood what is the meaning of this. Okay. Same way, complement of intersection means A intersection B whole dash equal to union of complements A dash union B dash. Same way, if there are three sets, you will have, if there are three sets, same way, you will have, if it is A intersection B intersection C whole dash, you will have A dash B, A intersection B intersection C whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash union C dash. Same way, the first distributive property I have explained you with an example. So same way, if you take an example of the sets and find, you will be able to get both the sides are equal. So distributive laws and De Morgan laws, I hope this is clear to you. Okay? Thank you.